Hello again and welcome to Virtual Crafts. In this video we'll see how we can install WooCommerce and now we can go through its setup wizard. WooCommerce is one of the very important plugins of WordPress as it enables us to make our website e-commerce. Now e-commerce is electronic commerce, by which we mean that we sell our products online. E-commerce is a very emerging industry these days as the whole world is getting transformed into an electronic era, so in just few years from now e-commerce will be all over the world. It currently also is very expanded, but in some upcoming years it will be more dominant. So if you know how to set up a basic website and then integrate WooCommerce on it, you can start your own business with it. You can make an Amazon affiliate website or any other store affiliate website, which I'll definitely make tutorials on going on with this series. But now let's just stick to WooCommerce, that you can build yourself a really decent business with it, or if not, you can make it a source of decent income using freelancing, as there are thousands of projects offered in freelancing in this industry. So let's see how we can install WooCommerce and now we can go through its basic setup. I'll go to my dashboard. I'll go to plugins and add new. And here I'll search for WooCommerce. Okay, this is our plugin by Automattic and it has 5 million plus active installations. I'll install this plugin. Okay, the plugin is now installed. I'll activate it. Okay, as soon as we activate WooCommerce, it redirects us to this setup wizard. Now you can either fill the store details in this setup wizard, or you can click this button, skip setup store details. You'll be redirected to the dashboard and you'll skip this setup wizard. But in this tutorial I'll go through the setup wizard. Okay, the first step is store details. In this step we'll have to provide details about our store, that is where it is located. Let's say my store is located in New York. Whatever your address is, you'll write it here. You can use the address line too, but this is optional. Select the country or region. Okay, let's say I choose a United States and the region as California. I'll set the city as California too. And I'll write the postcode here, which I don't have, so let me put a random one. You can check this checkbox if you are working as a freelancer on any project, that is if you are creating a store for a client. So let's check it, and the first step is complete. Let's continue. Okay, this is a promotion pop-up. They are basically asking to share site data with them, but I'll click no thanks. Okay, now we have the second step, which is industry. Here we'll choose what our store is about. Now let's say my store is a restaurant and I sell food and drinks on my store. I'll check this one. And let me mention here that you can choose multiple of these as well, as a store can have multiple categories, so you can sell multiple things on a single store. So let's say I work in this category as well, so I can choose as many as I want. And once you've checked your respective categories, click continue again. And now in the third step we'll have to choose the product types. Now there are many product types in WooCommerce. The physical products are the products that are ordered and then shipped to the destination of the user. That is, they're a physical product, like an electronic equipment or an accessory or something like that, that physically exists. But sometimes if you have set up a bookstore, you don't have physical products on the store, rather you have books which cannot be shipped but they can be downloaded. So you'll check this checkbox that my store has downloadable products on it. In this WooCommerce series I'll create separate videos on all of these product types, and I'll explain how we can create all of these products individually. So if your store sells both physical products and downloads or any subscription as well, you can choose it from here and then click continue. In the fourth step you have to choose business details, that how big is your business, how many products do you plan to display. So this is where you choose the products range. So if you're a small personal store, your range might be from 1 to 10, or if you're at a commercial level it could be 1000 plus. So let me go with this one. And they also ask you if you are currently selling anywhere else, so you can choose this according to you. Let me choose it to no and then continue. Here we have a second tab, free features. You can check this box if you want WooCommerce to add recommended business features to your site. I'll keep it checked and continue. Okay, our last step is to choose a theme for our store. Here are some themes given. The first one is the theme I am currently using on my website, Astra. You have many themes recommended by WooCommerce that you can use for your store. So if you want to see what a theme looks like, Click this live demo button and the WooCommerce will load the theme for you as a demo. You can have a look at it, and if you want to use it on your website, simply click this choose button. You can also check the responsiveness of the selected theme. This is how it will look on a tablet, and this is how it will look on a phone. So I'll not choose it, I'll go with my default theme, Astra, which is already selected, and I'll click continue with my active theme. Okay, now the setup wizard of the WooCommerce is complete. This is the home screen of the WooCommerce. We have these 5 steps to finish our store. We have to add a product, we have to set up WooCommerce payments, set up taxes, set up shipping, and then personalize the store. But as I already mentioned, this will be a small WooCommerce series, and in some upcoming videos we'll see each of these individually, and we'll see how we can create a complete WooCommerce store. So for now, that's all. We've seen that how we can install WooCommerce and how we go through its setup wizard. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon next to it to receive the notifications of every new video uploaded. Thank you and see you in the next video.